Thanks for being part of the CameraStuff affiliate program. You can always link through to our homepage, but it may be more effective if you link through to specific products. And there is a tool available which will help you do that. So if you log into the affiliate panel, if you can't find that, scroll, go to our homepage, camerastuff.co.za, come here to the affiliate link, click on the login option. This is going to kick you through to the login page of the affiliate panel. What you can do here is just log in. If you've not been into the panel, I suggest you go in, have a look. But what I'm showing you today is how to create these links. So if you need to find your basic link, you'll find it at the top here. And this links through to our homepage. But as I say, if you want to link through to a specific product, it may be more effective. To do that, go under Promotion, go under Advanced Tools, and go to the Deep Link Generator. Now, in order to use the Deep Link Generator, you need to find the product on the web page. So let me go back to our web page. I'm on this product here. Once you've arrived on the product, go to the top, copy that URL, go back to the panel, paste the URL in here, and then click on Generate Code. And basically what it's doing is it's taking your affiliate link, which is the A_AID, and it's appending it to the end of the URL. You can then copy and paste this in your posts. If you want to shorten this, you could use one of the URL shorteners like bit.ly and create a bit.ly link. I hope this helps you. Have a great day.